1. Condition the silicone cupcake liners before their first use. Wash them in warm soapy water and rinse them well. 2. Coat the liners with a thin layer of vegetable oil or non-stick spray. This method of seasoning the liners this way will only be needed for the first few uses. 3. Preheat the oven according to the directions for the cupcake recipe. 4. Adjust the oven rack so that it's sitting in the middle of the oven. 5. Make the cupcake batter according to your recipe. Place a cookie sheet on an even surface such as a countertop or table. Position the silicone cupcake liners on the cookie sheet. If preferred, slip into the slots of a muffin tray. Fill the silicone cupcake liners. Using a ladle, fill the liners 2/3 of the way with the prepared cupcakes batter. Some liners come with a marked fill line. 6. Bake the cupcakes. Slip the cookie sheet supporting the silicone bakeware into the oven. Check the time. When using silicone liners for the first time, it's important to watch the cupcakes carefully, as baking times may vary slightly from your normal cookware. Test the cupcakes to see if they're done by inserting a toothpick or skewer into a cupcake vat located in the center of the cookie sheet. The cupcakes are done baking when the toothpick comes out clean. 7. Remove the cupcakes from the oven. Use an oven mitt to hold the cookie sheet as you take it out of the oven. Be careful. Silicone bakeware cools quickly, but it will be very hot when you first remove it. 8. Turn out the cupcakes immediately. Once cooled, ice, serve, and enjoy your cupcakes. 9. Clean the silicone cupcake liners. Load the liners into the dishwasher or wash by hand with warm, soapy water. Given that the silicone bakeware is made of a flexible material, you can turn the silicone bakeware inside out to easily clean the crevices. 10. Stack the clean and dry silicone cupcake liners inside one another to store.